What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for checking out another new Hinges video. Today we are going to be walking through Indy Tow. So here I'm walking in the break room. As you can see, they have the old wood grain paneling throughout the entire building. Definitely something that we want to figure out how to solve that. And as you can see here, the bathroom is pretty closed in. I think our goal is to try to open that entire bathroom up. Not really sure why I'm walking through the utility room, but we'll just mark it up as bonus footage. But yeah, so here in the bathroom, open everything up, make it wide open, remove the tile. That's the front door. More paneling throughout the building here. Everything's a gray tone. We're gonna try to add some color, give things a little more life. Once again, panels everywhere. In this particular office, it has the carpet. This is the main office in the building. So that wall there, we're gonna remove that wall to open up this entire space here. So hope to see you guys on the other side of the video. Should be exciting. And that brings us here, the finished product.
Okay, so yeah, like I was telling
Indy Tow.
So you have to put your.
If you guys remember, 2 or 3 minutes ago, what this space used to look like. Nice can lights, new office furniture, shiplap with Soul Seeker, I believe is the blue color that they used.
You're fine. So like I was
Remove the wall in the bathroom.
on the vehicle.
Now it's wide open. Remove that shower. Used to be a shower right here, as you guys well remember.
Because if the B&Bs are open, then
Created a nook.
you're able to go up there and renew your place.
Helps with customer service. They got the files that they need. When the door's right there. Easy
You
access.
understand what I'm saying?
Quicker response time.
Hello?
Wall removed here. Space is completely open. Wall is removed there as well. Once again, we put 6 can lights. And then these sets is, so 8 can lights, I guess. These 2 here are on the dimmer. So it's controlled by that light switch over there. We also moved this wall back about 2 feet to help this control room gain space. So shiplap throughout the office, new office equipment, extra storage with the cabinets, the Soul Seeker, I believe is what the blue is called. Shiplap throughout the office, extra cabinet space. That filing cabinet there is going to be removed. The security company is going to come and put all that stuff on a mount. It's going to sit flush on the wall. So that'll be removed as well. But yeah, hey, appreciate you checking out the video. Appreciate your guys' support. Appreciate you guys following us. There you have it, the before and after of Indy Tow. And this is our latest project. See you guys on the future video. Thanks.